Students, the third again important classification is classification on the basis of hybridization state of carbon atoms like sp, sp2, sp3 atoms of main chain. Actually what? In carbon main chain there may be 1, 2, 3, 4 type of carbon, that is number of carbon atom. So what are the hybridization state of different carbon atoms on the basis of alcohols, and the phenols are classified like here. Here the first category, this is what? OH functional group attached with carbon. Attached with carbon. Let this carbon is sp3 hybridized. If the carbon atom attached with 4 different atoms or group or 4 number of atoms, then such carbon is termed as sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. So if sp3 carbon attached with OH is further attached with more number of carbon, but the important thing is what? If each carbon is again sp3 and what? sp3 and sp3, such type of alcohols are simply termed as very simple alcohol called what? Alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol, that is here the word added is what? YL, alkyl alcohol. L is a word root and YL is a suffix added. So alkyl alcohol. Getting? Number B, that is second time. Say this is OH functional group attached with carbon. Okay, and suppose the carbon is again 1, 2, 3, 4 different atoms are grouped, therefore its hybridization state is sp3. This is what? sp3. But now the next carbon, okay, attached with sp3 is like that. Okay, and the next one is like that. Now what about here? Here to complete valency we have to put double bond. That means now sp3 attached with sp2 and subsequently again attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Such type of compounds are termed as allylic. Remember here, allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol, that is sp3 attached with sp2 and subsequently attached again with what? sp2. This is called allylic alcohol. Student, you have to make proper notes on this topic. Remember, okay? Third type, if OH, this is functional group, okay, is now attached with carbon, and let this carbon atom is further attached with only 3 atoms. That means this is C2. To complete valency, we have to place double bond here. That means now the carbon atom directly attaches what? sp2. And this carbon atom is again is what? sp2. Isn't it? Such type of compounds are called vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol. Are you getting? We can take it for aromatic compound like this is aromatic compound, this is what? Carbon atom. Okay, and with this carbon atom let there is what? OH. Means this carbon atom is of which type? sp2, and all these carbon atoms are again of which type? sp2. So this is also called vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol, or we can call aryl alcohol. Aryl, okay, aryl alcohol. This is the category of vinylic alcohol. So this is also the third very important type of classification of alcohols. Okay, on the basis of it, again the name are asked. This compound IUPAC name is become what? Now, eth. Okay, and this is functional group. So this is first number carbon. This is second number carbon. So eth one in why? Because double bond is there and one first position. Therefore, eth one in one all. This compound atom, this chemical compound is simply known. This is what? Oil, alcohol, or this is called propane, and position is first, and this is all propanol. And what about this carbon compound? So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, and we are starting from first position. The compound is of alkene, therefore prop, and the position of double bond is in which carbon? Second number, so prop 2, and it is alkene, therefore in, and the alcohol OH is present in first carbon atom, therefore become 1 and all, prop 2 in 1 all. So like that we can classify our alcohols and phenols like compound, that is aliphatic and aromatic alcohols.